Hello and welcome to this video on unlocking geographic arbitrage, how to maximize your income and lifestyle. In this video, we will explore the concept of geographic arbitrage and how it can help you achieve financial freedom and an improved lifestyle. So, what is geographic arbitrage? It is the practice of taking advantage of the cost differences between different geographic regions to maximize your income and lifestyle. In simpler terms, it means living and working in a location with a lower cost of living while earning a salary that is consistent with higher cost regions. There are several benefits to living and working in low-cost regions. Firstly, your money will go much further in areas where the cost of living is lower. This means you can enjoy a higher quality of life while spending less money. Additionally, lower living costs can help you save more money and achieve financial freedom faster. Secondly, living in a low-cost region can also provide you with unique lifestyle benefits. For example, you can enjoy a slower pace of life, having more time to pursue your hobbies and experience new cultures and traditions. So, how can you make the most of this strategy? Here are some actionable tips. Tip number 1. Consider becoming a digital nomad. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, it is now easier than ever to work from anywhere in the world. As a digital nomad, you can live in low-cost regions while working for clients or companies based in higher-cost regions. This allows you to earn a higher income while enjoying a lower cost of living. Tip number 2. Look for affordable international destinations. There are many countries and cities around the world that offer a high quality of life at a fraction of the cost of living in Western countries. For example, countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and Mexico are popular among digital nomads due to their low cost of living, warm climate, and welcoming culture. Tip number 3. Explore low-cost regions for lifestyle benefits. Even if you're not a digital nomad, you can still take advantage of geographic arbitrage by moving to a low-cost region for lifestyle benefits. For example, you can retire abroad to countries like Costa Rica, Panama, or Portugal, which offer warm climates, beautiful scenery, and lower cost of living compared to Western countries. Tip number 4. Start a location-independent business. If you are an entrepreneur, you can take advantage of geographic arbitrage by starting a location-independent business. This means that your business can be operated from anywhere in the world, allowing you to live in a low-cost region while earning a higher income. Tip number 5. Be aware of the challenges. While geographic arbitrage can offer many benefits, it is not without its challenges. For example, you may face language barriers, cultural differences, or difficulties finding quality healthcare. It is important to do your research and plan ahead to ensure a smooth transition to your new location. To wrap it up, geographic arbitrage is a powerful strategy that can help you maximize your income and lifestyle. By taking advantage of the cost differences between different geographic regions, you can enjoy a higher quality of life while spending less money. Whether you are a digital nomad, an entrepreneur, or simply looking to optimize your finances, geographic arbitrage is a strategy worth considering. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.